Alrighty, guys. Look at the size of these freaking wheels. This Jeep Wrangler. Now, I'm working on this vehicle, guys. This is why mechanics, or this is how mechanics' career come up short, or they get out early. All right, yeah, they're back. Okay. Now, a lot of people would, I don't know, take the wheels off. They put it on the lift and take the wheels off and lower it some more, so the Jeep will be tilted down. All right. So me, I just built a couple of stairs using a spare tire. I had to climb way the freak up here just to get this cooler off. As you can see, I'm in the middle of doing this thing for an oil leak. Oh my goodness! See, look at all this climbing I have to do. At one point, I was standing up in it because you got to get way back there. Now, everybody's different. Like I say, I see guys that let the air out of the tire. So the front tire, I'm not letting the air out of these people's tires, man. I don't go that route. Look how thin wall that tire. If I let that air out, I'm not gonna drop a lot. Okay, now if I take the wheel off, yes, I'm gonna drop a lot, but look how much. Yeah, I'm not looking for a wheel lock key. I'm not nothing. I'm just gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna suck it up. Yeah, stop whining like a little biatch and get the job done. All right, I'm not into all of that whining. I finally made it down here, although I haven't got all the way down here yet. I took a break. In essence, I gave my back a break. Yeah, my back was like, JT, hold on, bro, hold on. So this thing was bad, guys. This is a 2012 model, almost 200,000 miles. All right, this came in, guys. So remember what I warned you about the P06DD? Look, I got oil. That's how bad this one was. This oil all in the rear. Let me see. Yeah, the oil. So it's falling down on top of the transmission. Guess what? You see the dipstick? You know what that means? 5-speed nag transmission. All right, it's not a manual or 8-speed. It's a nag 1 transmission. But now, I don't know if y'all can see me. I'm climbing. Hello. Damn, this is how I look up here. As you can see, I got the hood all the way up. Guys, you gotta like what you do. You don't like what you do, you wasting time. All right. I love what I do up until a point. I mean, I'm getting up there in age. It's a good thing I'm physical. All right. I'm physically capable. I work out all the time. So, but working out in the gym don't make. You just got to be able to. I don't know. All right. This is what you're gonna be doing for a while. You gonna have to love it. All right. The older mechanic down the hall, down the shop. Yeah, he's like, I ain't working on that. I don't want to work on that. I get it, but I guess I'm just too greedy to pass up all these hours. I got the coolers, tune-up spark plugs, and some more stuff. So look at this funky alternator. Turn the other way. Yeah. All right. So let me stop clowning around. Get this damn thing. Yeah, in fact, I will have to let it up in the air because I'm going to have to clean the top of the transmission off. It is oil everywhere. Now, they actually thought they had a transmission leak because another shop, remember, I can't call out Jiffy Lube anymore because I can get sued. Oops. Well, they was getting ready to do the oil change. They declined it because they say the transmission was leaking. The only problem with that, it's not transmission fluid, it's oil. So I don't know what kind of folks they got working at Jiffy Lube, but that was oil, buddy. That was not transmission fluid. Although I tried to sell a trans service because, like, the thing about trans service, it becomes a risk factor if you got 200,000 miles and it ain't never been done. So yeah, I kind of backed off of that. All right, I'm a risk taker up until a certain point. Yes, if you never had your transmission service, in fact, good thing this car got a dipstick. Okay, I pulled it out earlier, but let me show y'all. If it's candy apple red, it has been serviced. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, this one brown and smells burnt. And I don't know the history. I don't know if it's ever been done. If it's ever been done, it'd be worth servicing it. If it was mine, I would service it anyway. But I got to think of the other folks and the risk I bring along to the company. Alright. Yeah, guys, we got authorization to go rogue up until a certain point. If your risk start affecting the company, then yeah, you can look a certain way, and I don't want to look that way. I have the capability to literally turn down a job. Say, hey boss, look, I don't think that's gonna be worth our while. We might not want to get in that. Why, JT? You know, the boss always hungry. Because, man, it's too risky. If we try to take that boat out, boat broken, if we try to whale up, you remember the one on the transmission where the boat broke in the block? Yeah, we ain't doing all of that. So, he agreed with me, and that's that. All right, guys, this is how I look up here. I'm literally standing up on a damn doing this. Okay, I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.